This is the Hello World Podcast.
Going back to culture, something happens and then you see a downtrend as well in terms of behaviors. Has that happened? Have you seen that happen in your journey?
Oh yes,
And
many times.
What did you do?
Many times, and
Okay.
that's one of the reasons why we came out with the leadership team norms, which you helped us create. So when we came up with the leadership team norms, we knew that they were very powerful. We would have reinforcement workshops, and we told the management team, you need to live it, you need to breathe it when you dream about the leadership team norms. And there will be days that we forget, and that's okay. But we need to remember that at the end of the day, these are the things that will take us to where we need to be in the future. And that was fine. That was part of the journey. Failing was part of the journey. But by reinforcing it almost constantly, eventually we got to that stage wherein it already became a habit for most of the people in the organization.
Wow. What's your favorite leadership team norm of all of those?
Okay, so it's being open and being courageous. Because in Bankcard, a lot of people, and you'll see this in many organizations, wherein in meetings, people try to keep the peace by not speaking out. So I'm sure many people who are listening can relate to sitting into a meeting and then hearing something that they don't necessarily agree with, but then because nobody's speaking up, they just keep the thought to themselves and don't share it. And to me, based on experience, those are absolutely the right times to raise your concerns. So we need to be courageous at times to raise concerns. And many times, they can cause conflict. But if it's conflict raised with your heart in the right place, then absolutely it's the right thing to do. And by doing this, we've made the organization a much stronger and more open organization, as opposed to keeping secrets and people trying to cover for each other. So it's not about laglagan, but it's more about calling out wrong behavior if it's happening. By doing so, you really encourage the right kind of culture wherein you reward good behavior and bad behavior is called out. So, it just reinforces everything, reinforces having the right kind of culture in your organization, which you want to have. That's my favorite.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.